Hi, hello, namaste to all my listeners. I'm your host Sarthak Varshne, and I welcome you all to the Balls of Steel show, where you get an insight into the business mindset of the entrepreneurs. Dhandoni Soch. Our today's guest is Mr. Abhishek Goyal with us. Hi, Abhishek.
Hi, Sarthak.
So, Abhishek, what is the business that you're running? Because of which we're going to say that you've got the balls of steel.
All right. Okay, Sarthak. So, our company is called Kashish Yoga. We provide yoga teacher training courses to students all over the world. So that is the
Okay.
basic business I am in. So you can call it a spirituality industry or health industry. We teach people how to become a yoga teacher. So firstly, it deepens their own practices, yoga practices, and secondly, it
Okay.
helps them to make themselves more ready to teach to other people and become a yoga teacher in the future.
Okay, that's nice. So, which are the areas that you're basically catering to?
As in geographical locations,
Yeah,
yeah. So it's all over the world. We market our product across the world.
that's a really amazing, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Okay, so Abhishek, let's know about your journey. You know how you
Mhm.
started and how you got to this point. So tell us about your journey.
All right, so let me start from the beginning. Like after my schooling, I was a little bit confused about my college because A, I didn't know what to do with my life, and B, I was very eager to join business. So I started
Okay.
with this my own travel agency. I started along with
Uh-huh.
my father. My father was helping me to establish it, and then I started the work. It was going on fine. I won't say I wasn't satisfied. I was satisfied, but then I faced a few problems. Problems. The main problem I was facing that was how to manage human resource, because managing
Okay.
human resource, managing people is one of the most important aspect of business. अगर आप
Right.
लोगों
Right.
को अपने हिसाब से ढाल नहीं सकते, अपनी कंपनी के हिसाब से नहीं ढाल सकते, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस के हिसाब से नहीं ढाल सकते, ये एक अपने आप में एक कला है, इट इज़ एन आर्ट to persuade
Right.
people, to influence them, and to understand them. So I was lacking there. That's
Okay.
when I decided that I need to learn more before jumping into this world of business. So the only option I had was to do MBA course. So I was then
Okay.
preparing for my MBA. I stopped my business. मैंने रोक दिया उसको
Okay.
completely. Then I went to Kolkata for my
Mm-hmm.
studies. I prepared. I got enrolled myself into a MBA school. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and but I had one thing very clear in my mind कि मेरे को job नहीं करना. I mean, going to a MBA college and then sitting for placements, getting job. That was one thing I was not very eager to do because I don't know why. Because starting से ही I didn't want to do job. So after
Right.
my MBA, I was very ready. I was very boosted up कि चलो ठीक है. I have learned whatever I needed to learn, and so
Right.
let's start my business. And again, I started what I
Right.
know best because given a choice, I always prefer selling or marketing services and not products.
Mm.
It's my niche. So I started
Okay.
again with my own travel company. This time it was better, more. The products were better, the services were better, the service blueprints were better, everything was better. So we started with that, and along the way, I met my elder brother. We had few conversations about how he was running this business and how he wanted to expand it, and this really touched me because as an individual, I myself believe, practice, and preach spirituality, and it is something
Okay.
which was my goal, my inner thing that I really want to be involved in something like this. So when he approached
Okay.
me with this was something. I mean, I think it was like meant to be because while I was in Mumbai doing my MBA, I always wanted I always wanted that. Okay, fine. I was like my mindset was कि ठीक है मैं अभी सीख रहा हूँ like how to market things, how to influence people या कैसे इसको बेचना है, कैसे लोगों
Right.
के सामने पहुँचना है, बट एक चीज़ जो मुझे हमेशा थी कि यार मेरे को सही प्रोडक्ट चाहिए। बिकॉज़ इफ यू आर नॉट
Right.
कनेक्टेड विथ योर प्रोडक्ट, समथिंग व्हिच यू बिलीव इन, व्हिच यू थिंक दैट इट विल सर्व पीपल, at least for me, I won't be able to sell it. I won't be able to do justice with it. give my 100%.
Mm-hmm.
So when I met this product, I was like, amazing, let's do this. So again, I was in with partnership with this the other side, the travel company. So we
Right.
had I left it, and then I was full time with I'm in like till now I'm full time with Kashish Yoga, and I'm doing my work here.
Okay. Okay. That's amazing. So, what exactly are you doing at Kashish Yoga?
Fine, okay. At Kashish Yoga, I take care of everything related to marketing and sales.
Okay.
So I'm the marketing head there, sales head there, and along with
Mm-hmm.
that, I contribute in product development as well.
Okay.
I take care of all the communications as well. And yeah,
Right.
so marketing involves a lot of things like social media marketing, offline marketing, promotions, advertising, designing.
Right. 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 So basically, you're the one who's handling everything at Kashish Yoga for now.
Mm, not everything we can say as 80%, 80%, because we are a team of we are a team of somewhere around 22 people right now. So
Wow.
everybody is doing a lot of work.
Right. Right. Right.
I am trying to just mix and merge and be the one moderating things.
Right.
So yeah.
But yeah, I guess that is what an entrepreneur also does, because we have seen that there are a lot of entrepreneurs who leave their jobs, like
Mm-hmm.
in some or the other manner, they leave their corporate jobs and they
Mm-hmm.
start their own company with the money they have saved, and
Mm-hmm.
they use that experience in their entrepreneurial journey. And that is something, I guess, that you are also doing. So
Absolutely,
is this
absolutely.
is the same thing, I believe, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. This is what any entrepreneur does. I mean, he's the one basically who's trying to keep a harmony between everybody, because
Right.
a single person cannot do everything, and he should not do
Right.
everything. So
Right.
the whole idea is to gather experts from every field required, and then
Right.
you find a harmony and sync everything, and a beautiful dish appears, and
Right.
everybody take their piece of cake.
Right, definitely. Since we're talking about this topic,
Mm-hmm.
that it's about management, and we dedicate the perfect job for the perfect people. We hire
Mm-hmm.
people for their specific job. So, Abhishek, I have seen a lot of people, right, who try to do this one man army stuff, and they are engaging from the from client acquisition to the execution of the project, and then delivery, and then if there's some
Mm-hmm.
probably, let's say, there's some revision that needs to be done in the product or the services that they're providing. So that's this is one man army. So what would you say about those people? Because I have seen some of them trying to expand, but then some or the other way they lack. And sometimes they say, no, it's okay that I'm doing it all alone, and then they also procrastinate, and sometimes they
Mm-hmm.
contemplate about the not being able to grow in terms of being an entrepreneur. So what's your take on that?
Okay. So first thing is, like, suppose if you're playing a sport, अगर आप cricket खेल रहे हो for example, आप सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, या लाइफ में आप कुछ भी
Right.
कर रहे हो, you cannot do everything. मतलब it's
Right.
really good to aspire to learn everything, which is a very good thing. An
Right.
entrepreneur should know everything. सब कैसे होता है,
Right.
direction
Right.
क्या होनी चाहिए. He should absolutely have an idea of each detail. But then
Right.
doing everything on their own is a whole another thing, which is really wrong, because you cannot be expert in each field. Like for example, if I am someone who can really sell something to people, who can talk to them,
Right.
influence them, and
Right.
if I stick to my core, that will help
Right.
my company more, rather than मैं वो भी कर रहा हूँ, डिजाइनिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, एडिटिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, मार्केटिंग सब कुछ देख रहा हूँ. नहीं, if you are an
Right.
entrepreneur, the most important thing for you is to allocate right people for the right
Right.
job, and then manage
Mhm.
everything beautifully, and find a sync between a harmony between each activity, and then you see how things goes, because akele you cannot do everything. That's not a good strategy according to me. No.
Absolutely agreed. Absolutely agreed. So, Abhishek, like, if you talk about what is your motivation to do this? What keeps you motivated?
All right. So I don't want to sound very this thing, but yeah, according to me, life is not about a career. Life is not about your profession. It is about a mission. I mean, every human being comes to this world to leave their mark, do something which people can remember, or at least touch people's life in some way or the other. So हाँ,
Mm-hmm.
my motivation is just one simple thing, कि मैं जितने लोगों से मिलूं, जितने लोगों से मैं बात कर सकूं, उनके लाइफ में मैं कुछ पॉजिटिव चेंज कर सकूं. So
Right.
that is the whole idea behind the right product. I always wanted to be in service industry or be selling something. Like जब मैंने अपनी travel company start की थी, the whole idea was not to provide
Uh-huh.
the best car, not to provide the best seats in the flight. The idea was कि
Uh,
I can provide people a break with their family, with their loved ones. या फिर जब हमारा एक प्रोडक्ट है फलक तक चल बोल के, जिसमें हम हनीमून कपल्स को बेचते हैं बाहर उनके हनीमून पे. सो
okay.
द होल आइडिया इज कि जब वो बाहर जाएं तो दे हैव दिस
Right.
ब्यूटीफुल थिंग, ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस, जो उनको कहीं ना कहीं टच कर दे, और उनके लाइफ में व्हेन वो याद करे उस दिन को. आवर बॉन्ड, हमारे
Right.
रिलेशनशिप में बॉन्ड उस दिन की वजह से थी, बिकॉज हम जब पेरिस में वहां बैठे थे तो ये बातें हुई थी. यू आर गेटिंग मी? सो दैट इज
Right.
द
Right.
होल
Right.
आइडिया
Right.
बिहाइंड
Right.
माई वर्क, दैट आई टच. I can be a part, I can be a way in which I can provide something, some meaningful thing in their life. And this was the whole reason behind the Kashish Yoga thing, because I mean, what else can be a better job than to, help people be their best, be their spiritual best, teach them how to, merge with themselves, be one with themselves. That escalates your productivity, your focus. It helps you become your best version. It gives you flexibility. Your health is boosted. I mean, everything is so good. I mean, every day I think that, I don't think that, आज मैं जाऊँगा business करूँगा, इतने पैसे कमाऊँगा, ऐसा something. I just feel that
Mm-hmm.
I get up, I motivate one human being to do this
Mm-hmm.
practice of yoga. One human being
Right.
closer one step to themselves. My work is done.
Right.
My work is done. That's what keeps me motivated.
Wow, that's a completely different level of motivation. Honestly, I must say, because matlab, everyone finds different motivation, but then this is
Absolutely.
completely different kind of motivation,
Absolutely.
and this is motivating me also somewhere in different aspect. But yeah, because I personally believe that being an entrepreneur on myself, and trying to, when I'm also busy with so much stuff going around me, and tackling a lot of stuff, doing a lot of stuff, sometimes all I want is that, I need that mental peace,
Yeah.
that okay, this thing in my head, this needs to calm down,
Yeah.
that I can go back and do the thinking process,
Mm-hmm.
come back with all the energy and put in 200%.
Hundred
So
percent.
I
Yeah.
can I can completely agree. What you're trying to
Yes.
provide there, and the motivation that you're getting.
Yeah,
That's
because
really amazing.
I would like to add one thing here, that this is because, see, every day you cannot be in your A game. Every day you cannot
Right.
get up motivated. Every day you cannot get up energetic. Every day you cannot get up and be like, आज तो मैं तोड़ दूंगा, something like that. आप
Right.
थकते हो, आपकी दिन अच्छी नहीं होती, आपके गर्लफ्रेंड से झगड़े हो जाते हैं, फैमिली में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, बहुत कुछ चलता है जो आपसे
Right.
रिलेटेड है. तो अगर आप अपने मोटिवेशन के सोर्स भी अपने में रखोगे, तो अगर आप इफेक्ट होते हो तो आपका मोटिवेशन इफेक्ट होता है. तो अगर आप अपने मोटिवेशन को अपने आप से अलग रख दो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ वेरी स्मॉल एग्जांपल, इफ आई एम डाइग्रेसिंग, आई एम सॉरी, कि अगर सपोज
No, no, it's okay.
आपके पैर में अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, ठीक है, और अगर आपके
Right.
लाइक हाथ में चोट लगी है, तो आप ये बोल सकते हो, चलो ठीक है मैं जा रहा हूँ यार, मैं बाद में बैंडेज लगा लूंगा. पर
Mm-hmm.
अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो, आपको आपने देखा रास्ते में किसी और के हाथ में चोट लगी है, तो आपको एक मन में आता है कि ना, मैं यहाँ रुक जाऊँ, एक बैंडेज लगा दूँ इनको, और फिर आगे चले जाऊँगा मैं. तो दिस
Right.
इज़ व्हाट आई फील, कि अपने मोटिवेशन को दूसरे लोगों पे, या फॉर अ बिगर कॉज़, a cause which is bigger than yourself, your problems, your ego, your इमोशंस आप अगर रखते हो, तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आपको लगता है कि हाँ, चलो ठीक है, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड, और आई एम नॉट फीलिंग एनर्जेटिक, बट आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप, बिकॉज़ आई नीड टू सर्व पीपल. आई नीड टू डू
Right.
better than bigger something bigger than myself. So this is my
Right.
thought process.
Absolutely. I mean, I have heard a lot of people. Heard a lot of speakers,
Mhm.
and I guess this is what makes an entrepreneur entrepreneur, is that because they live to serve a bigger cause.
Absolutely,
That is what
absolutely, yeah.
makes them different.
Absolutely.
They want to, let's like there's a lot of stuff,
Mhm.
because let's say sometimes an entrepreneur also thinks that before me I need to put in salaries into my employees account. They need,
100%.
because they
100%.
have to pay their bills and everything needs to
100%.
happen,
100%.
and he cannot probably take that burden on himself, that
Yeah.
because of me, X number of people are gonna get unemployed,
Completely,
right?
I completely agree.
That is one thing. And then like you were doing it out there, that you want to motivate people so that they become one with themselves. So I guess
Yeah,
these are, every entrepreneur has those bigger motives, and that is why we say that every entrepreneur needs to dream big,
yeah.
bigger than what you're thinking right now.
Yeah. I mean, I would like to add one point here. कि how this helps.
Right.
जैसे I'll just give you, I'll tell you a very small story. एक दिन क्या हुआ,
Sure.
मेरे मेरे मेरा मेरे कंपनी में जो एक बंदा है, he was like
Right.
making some posters or something like that. So he was like, यार
Okay.
क्या है स्क्रीन में बैठे बैठे ये करो, कुछ तो मजा नहीं है, and something like that. So I explained him. I was like, see, आप ये पोस्ट डिजाइन करते हो, इसको कोई दूर बैठा मे बी अमेरिका में या कहीं यूरोप में एक इंसान देखता है। वो इंसान
Right.
इसको देखता है, उसके मन में एक फीलिंग जगाता है कि लाइक मुझे जाना है, योगा सीखना है, इंडिया जाना है। आई वांट टू गो टू दिस
Right.
लैंड, आई वांट टू लर्न द ट्रेडिशंस एंड द योगा हियर, प्रैक्टिसेस हियर, एंड आई विल डू समथिंग फॉर
Right.
माय सेल्फ। तो आपने उसका भला किया, एक। दूसरा,
हाँ जी।
आपने वो एक टैक्सी लेता है, वो यहाँ आता है, उस टैक्सी ड्राइवर को रास्ते में जितने लोगों से मिलता है, जहाँ-जहाँ वो इकोनॉमी घूम रही है, आप उनको हेल्प करते हो। वो बंदा गोवा आता है, हमारे आश्रम में रुकता है, प्रैक्टिस करता है, और वो जब बाहर निकलता है, छोटा-सा ठेला है वहाँ पे जो पानी बेच रहा है, या मैगी बेच रहा है या कपड़े बेच
Right.
रहा है, वो वहाँ
Right.
जाता है, वो आप उसके भी घर में रोटी दे रहे हो। तो आपका ये पोस्टर अगर आप 100% देते हो, तो आपने इस दुनिया में कम से कम भी 1000 लोगों की लाइफ को सुधार दिया है। तो दैट इज़ हाउ ऑनेस्टी कम्स विथ योर वर्क। अगर आपको सिर्फ़ ये लगेगा ना कि मैं एक बेस्ट पोस्टर बनाऊँगा बिकॉज़ अपने मेरे को अपनी ईगो को सैटिस्फाई करना है कि आई एम द बेस्ट डिज़ाइनर, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन लाइक दैट।
That, I mean, if when you said that story, I honestly had goosebumps, and I was like, "Oh my god!" I guess I personally never saw that perspective, but yes, this perspective exists there because, oh, see, I am in the industry where my company creates videos for other
Absolutely.
clients, and what
Absolutely.
we tell them that this is your asset, and
And
we tell
by
them
the
that
way, I would like to tell the audience that Sarthak is very good at his job. He is an absolute expert with this thing.
thank you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much. So yeah, coming back to the point where I was saying that we tell the clients that this is a video, this is your asset, and this is gonna help you sell more. But
Absolutely.
now after talking to you, I can also see that this is also because when they would be selling their product using our videos,
Mhm.
definitely they are putting in money in hundreds and thousands of more people's pocket.
Yeah.
That is an amazing point of
आप
view, Abhishek.
आप वीडियोस बनाते हो, ग्राफिक्स बनाते हो, आपके पास पावर है लोगों की सोच बदलने की, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस वर्ड इन्फ्लुएंसर कम्स, एंड टुडेस डिजिटल एरा, आई मीन हु नोज बेटर देन यू कि कितने पावरफुल चीजें होती है ये सारी, आपके पोस्टर्स, आपके वीडियो, आई मीन
Def
सी वन पोस्टर कैन मोटिव, लाइक अगर आप somebody out there who is very heartbroken, depressed कि क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, he reads one powerful quote and he's like, नहीं नहीं यार,
right,
life is not that bad. So I mean किसी ने तो उसको
right,
बनाया होगा,
right,
डिजाइन
right.
किया होगा, so it see it changes your thought. Yeah,
Definitely, definitely, definitely. That is the power of digital media
yeah,
right now.
absolutely.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So Abhishek, tell me another thing that are you money minded?
Honestly, no, I'm not money minded. But I
Okay,
would like to confess that yes, I'm an emotional buyer. I'm not money
okay.
minded, but if I like, see, I don't have a lot of expenses for myself. But yeah, if
Mhm.
something is very, something which I want, then yeah, I buy it. I don't think a lot, but money
Mhm.
minded, no, which is a good and a bad thing both. But no, I'm not a money minded
Yeah, that is definitely good, and that's why I
person.
asked you because many times for entrepreneurs it is said that they are money minded, so it's a bad thing, and sometimes many entrepreneurs are not money minded. That's like you,
No,
which
this was
you
my
just
point
took,
of view as a
right?
consumer. But if I
Right.
talk as a producer, I am not money-minded person at all. If I see
Okay.
a good talent, I
Hmm.
I need it. I just need it. Money is not a question.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So, Abhishek, I wanted to dive deep into your entrepreneurial journey and know about your failures. So, is what is the biggest failure that you have faced, and what did you learn from it, and how you overcame it?
Yes, Sarthak. So what I think is कि uh, आपकी entrepreneurial जर्नी उसी दिन स्टार्ट हो जाती है जिस दिन आप सोचते हो कि आपको एक entrepreneur बनना है, डजंट रियली मीन दैट आप entrepreneur उस दिन बनोगे जिस दिन आपने सक्सेसफुली कुछ कर लिया हो. Once you thought,
Right,
your journey has started. So
right.
during my journey, I have faced not one but a lot of major failures. Like for
Mm-hmm.
example, when I was quitting my first work and I started to go for MBA, मुझे वो कॉलेज नहीं मिला जो मुझे चाहिए था, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस अच्छे नहीं मिले मुझे, I couldn't do it, so
Right.
that was a failure. कॉलेज के बाद when I was looking for work, starting something to start something, उस टाइम पे भी I had 5 or 6 projects in my mind which didn't happen. किसी के लिए पैसे नहीं थे मेरे पास. I come from a humble background, so and I couldn't find good investors. मुझे नहीं मिले वो पैसे कि जिससे मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट A, B या C या D या E करूँ. So
Right.
I had to go back with the travel agency thing because A, सर्विस है तो ज़्यादा कैपिटल नहीं चाहिए होता है,
Right.
and B, I didn't have anything else to start very big. So हमारे पास एक बहुत लिमिटेड कैपिटल थी, हमने उसी से स्टार्ट किया था. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट हमें हमें पैम्पलेट्स और कार्ड्स वगैरह छपवाने थे, तो हमारा पूरा बजट 80,000 का आ रहा था. बट उसके
Right.
लिए भी वी हैड टू स्ट्रगल. सो दैट वाज अ मेजर चैलेंज. एंड again after that, in Kashish Yoga, if I talk about failures, or I won't call them failures, I would call them obstacles, because there are no failures. Until and unless you take them as failures, they are not. They're just obstacles. They are smoke screens of vagueness कि अब क्या होगा,
Right. Right.
uncertainty. उसके अलावा वो कुछ होते नहीं है. कशिश योगा में यार, I was expecting what amount of business this year, but then see again, who
Right.
expected this thing, the pandemic which we are facing. So yeah, failures, obstacles, problems, यही तो journey है एक entrepreneur की यार. I mean, see, if it was just hit and success, who wouldn't be an entrepreneur? Because everybody knows that
Exactly.
at the end of tunnel, the light is bright, the world is green. ऐसा लगता है आपको, लेकिन
Right.
actually में a journey of an entrepreneur is inside that tunnel only. There is no destination, it is the journey. देयर इज नो
Right.
ग्रीन वर्ल्ड, देयर इज नो ब्राइट लाइट. यहीं पे जो आप स्ट्रगल करते हो, जैसे हमने बात करी कि लोग नहीं मिल रहे हैं, काम नहीं हो रहा है, कि कभी किसी की तबीयत खराब
Right.
हो जाती है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी क्या. आप इन चीजों को जब ओवरकम करते हो, and then suddenly one day you look back and you will feel like, shit man, I've come so far, as an individual, as a company,
Right.
as a leader, as a motivator. You'll find it, because sometimes you're sitting with your employees or your client, and they will be like, पता है उस दिन ना यार तूने वो चीज बोला था ना, it affected me, and it changed my life. And then you will feel like I have done something good, and that is the life of entrepreneur. You create something so big
Right.
that you are so busy in the process. You will never get be a, you'll never get to taste the cake yourself, because you're so busy distributing it, you're so busy creating, you're so busy in the process.
Right.
And that is the most beautiful part of it. Yeah, I mean, even in Bhagavad Gita, कृष्ण भगवान कहते हैं कि
Mm-hmm.
आपका जो हक है वो सिर्फ आपके कर्म पे है, आपके फल में आपको कोई हक नहीं है. So that is the life
I
of
remember
entrepreneur.
that.
So that is the life
I
of an
remember that.
entrepreneur. तो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, सब हम ओवरकम करते हैं, कभी हम नहीं कर पाते हैं, कभी हम गिरते हैं, फिर उठते हैं. आई मीन, until and unless you feel like I should give up, I should jump ship, which is the worst thing ever.
Right.
You should never jump ship.
Right.
Things goes
Right.
on, and you are an entrepreneur. See, now the question is, do you want to be a successful entrepreneur, or you want to be an entrepreneur? एंड आप कुछ भी चूज कर लो, स्ट्रगल्स, फेलियर्स, ऑब्स्टेकल्स, सब में ही होती है, एवरी जर्नी में होती है. अगर आपको सेफ लाइफ चाहिए तो यू आर 9 to 5 person.
Definitely. 9 to 5 करके तो बहुत सेफ हो जाता है. But then,
नो ऑफेंस बट या.
yeah, no, no, none taken, because see, we are on the same boat, and we
एब्सोल्युटली.
can definitely agree to it. So yeah, but उसमें I have a complete different mindset over there. So I feel like if I'm doing a 9 to 5, or maybe if I'm in a regular job, then probably ठीक है, there would be a time, or maybe I'll have to put in years of time, let's say a decade or maybe 2 decades, to reach an executive position.
या.
But by the time I reach an executive position, then I might be at a situation, when I know my bank balance is good, my children are good, or something like that. But उतना ही टाइम अगर आप अपने आप पे लगाओगे, अपने बिजनेस में लगाओगे, just imagine where your asset is gonna
बट
go.
वो होती नहीं
And
है,
that
बट वो होता नहीं है.
वो खुद
The reason is,
I know.
the reason is,
Mhm.
I'll point it out. The reason is, see, if I tell you tomorrow, Sarthak,
Right.
get up at 5 a.m. and meet me outside your home in the park, and we'll go for a
Mhm.
run. Please
Mhm.
come. You need to come. And suppose, like, if,
Mhm.
if I'm your senior and I order you that you have to come, तो आप
Hmm.
जब रात को सोओगे ना, आपके दिमाग में रहेगा
Hmm.
कि कल जाना है मेरे को।
Right.
बिकॉज दिस वी आर कंडीशन दैट वे फ्रॉम आवर बचपन कि इसने बोला है, उसने बोला है, करना है, वो वेट करेगा, वो ये करेगा, वो ये करेगा। हमारा क्या? वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट। एंड सिनेरियो
Uh,
बी, जब आप ये सोचते हो कि मैं कल सुबह उठ के अकेले पार्क जाके रन करूंगा, आई विल रन फॉर किलोमीटर और 2 एंड आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ माय
hmm.
हेल्थ। सुबह जब 5 बजता है, आप लगे यार कौन तो है, मैं ही तो हूँ, छोड़ना। कौन देख रहा है, मैं ही तो हूँ, छोड़ना।
Uh,
So that
that
is the
is
whole
that is
problem.
right.
When you are doing a job, you are very
Hmm.
disciplined. बिकॉज़ आपको पता है ये टाइम मेंटेन करना है, नहीं तो नौकरी चली जाएगी। इसकी बातें सुननी है, नहीं तो नौकरी चली जाएगी। ये चीज़ करना है, नहीं तो नौकरी चली जाएगी। ये डेडलाइन डेडलाइन है, नहीं तो पैसे नहीं आएँगे। इन द सिमिलर
Right.
थिंग,
Right.
अगर आप सेम चीज़, इफ यू आर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, इफ यू आर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, आप खुद अपना काम कर रहे हो, आपको वो मेन थिंग इज़ आपको वो डिसिप्लिन फॉर्म करनी पड़ेगी। इफ देयर इज़ एनीबॉडी लिसनिंग आउट हियर, जो जॉब कर रहे हैं और उनको लाइक दे आर अफ्रेड कि मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करूँगा या मुझे क्या करना चाहिए उसके लिए, आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ वेरी स्मॉल एंड सिंपल टिप। आप ये मत सोचो कि आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनोगे, सोचो ही मत।
Hmm.
आप ये मत सोचो कि मैं खुद करूँगा, सोचो ही मत। कि मैं खुद कमाऊँगा, सोचो ही मत। आप एक काम करो, आप एक कंपनी में अपना
Hmm.
नाम लिखो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम अभिषेक गोयल, मैं लिखूँगा अभिषेक गोयल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, और मैं
Hmm.
उसको अपने टेबल के सामने रख दूँगा और मैं ये सोचूँगा कि मैं इस कंपनी का एम्प्लॉयी हूँ। ठीक है, ये कंपनी आपकी है, ये
Perfect.
कंपनी के सारे प्रॉफिट्स आपके हैं, पर आप इसके एम्प्लॉयी हो। आप वो कल्चर रखो,
Right.
9 टू 5 वाला डिसिप्लिन रखो, डेडलाइन्स का डर रखो,
Right.
और आप अपनी कंपनी के लिए जब खुद काम करोगे, आप देखोगे कि वो डिसिप्लिन भी रहती है। बिकॉज़ दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ अ वेरी फनी
Hmm.
थिंग कि a lot of
Hmm.
entrepreneurs, they lack this discipline
Exactly.
when
They do.
the reward is so big. On the
Right.
contrary, जॉब वाले में क्या डिसिप्लिन होता है बॉस, मतलब अभी भी इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में, आई सैल्यूट देम, पीपल आर लाइक गोइंग टू देयर जॉब्स, दे आर वर्किंग देयर एस आउट। उनको फिक्र नहीं है, डर नहीं है। आप
Uh,
जस्ट इमेजिन इफ दैट मच डिसिप्लिन अगर आप लगा सकते हो अपनी कंपनी के लिए, आई मीन व्हाट रिजल्ट्स यू विल गेट इन जस्ट लाइक डेज ऑफ लाइक 60 और 70 डेज। आप अपने आप को देखना कि यू विल बी लाइक यार आई हैव कम सो फार।
exactly. I mean, पता है ये वाली बात करके, and then if you start compiling those different quotations and different sayings, like practice makes a man perfect, stay consistent, be disciplined. बचपन से
एब्सोल्युटली,
सिखाते हैं स्कूल में कि be
एब्सोल्युटली,
disciplined. बचपन में कभी समझ ही नहीं आता है. But if you
एब्सोल्युटली,
literally start disciplining yourself,
या
I mean, just the results would be immensely amazing, immensely. And यार जिम में भी पता है यही बोलते हैं that you need to be consistent for the gym. आप
यू
1
नीड टू,
महीना जिम
या
करते हो, बहुत बहुत मोटिवेट, हाँ, मैंने
हाँ।
जिम जाना है। बट व्हाट अबाउट द 2nd मंथ? व्हाट अबाउट द 3rd मंथ?
एक्चुअली
एंड
देयर
देन
इज दिस हैक, आई मीन उसमें क्या होता है ना, यू आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द प्राइज, यू आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द
राइट,
फल, यू आर
राइट,
नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द प्रोसेस और द कर्म। आप अपने प्रोसेस में नहीं
राइट।
फोकस करके आप अपने गोल में फोकस करते हो। एंड इफ यू आर अ स्कोर
हुँ,
बोर्ड वॉचर कि यहाँ
हुँ,
हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, तो यू आर लूजिंग द गेम। लाइक इफ इन द
एब्सोल्युटली,
मिडल ऑफ अ बास्केटबॉल गेम आप रुक गए कोर्ट में और आप बोर्ड देख रहे हो अपने स्कोर की, यू नॉट प्लेइंग द गेम मैन। सो यू नीड टू प्ले द गेम। आप यू नीड टू बी कंसिस्टेंट दैट कि आई डोंट केयर कि मेरे को सिक्स पैक्स मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे, आई जस्ट डोंट गिव अ शिट। माय होल थिंग इज आई नीड टू फॉर्म अ हैबिट to get up at
राइट,
this and to do this. And once you start
राइट।
developing a habit, and after a matter of 60 or 66 days, it can like be a part of the system. Can I give some book recommendations here?
श्योर, श्योर, प्लीज़, प्लीज़, प्लीज़ गो अहेड।
Yeah, so I'll just recommend few books which have literally changed my life. Like when I say changed, I mean I cannot put more emphasis on the word. It has literally changed
राइट,
me as a human being, as an individual. So
राइट,
I'll just name 5 or 6 books. I'll be very quick. Number
डेफिनिटली,
one is The Alchemist. You
ओके,
should read it. You must read it. The second is The
ओके,
Secret. You
ओके।
must read it. You must read Think and Grow Rich. I mean, Think and Grow Rich is a book which can completely change your thought process.
I
And
completely agree. I've read that book. I
yeah,
know it.
yeah. And when you change your
I know
thoughts, you
it.
can change your world.
Definitely.
Absolutely, you should read it. The third or fourth book I would suggest is the 5 a.m. Club of Robin Sharma. It will actually teach
Okay.
you how to rewire yourself and bring it inside your system. See, जब आप Alchemist पढ़ते हो, आपको समझ में आता है कि
हाँ,
अपनी लाइफ की बर्ड व्यू में कि मेरे को चलो ये करना होता है। आप कैसे
राइट,
करोगे? आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या होना चाहिए वो आपको थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच बताता है। उसके बाद
राइट,
अब आप जब उसको करना चाहते हो ना, आप देखोगे कि आपको इतना रेजिस्टेंस फील होगा, आपके सिस्टम से, आपके
हुँ।
हैबिट से, आपके उठने-सोने के टाइमिंग से, योर एवरीथिंग विल सो मच इंटरप्ट यू एंड दैट प्रॉब्लम्स कैन बी सॉर्टेड विद बुक्स लाइक द एटॉमिक हैबिट.
राइट,
The Atomic Habit, it is a very good book. Up, you'll learn about habit and how to rewire your habit. You can read the 5 a.m.
definitely,
Club. And if you are
राइट,
somebody who think like if you're somebody like me जिनको लगता है कि I'm not an entrepreneur, ये सब बाहर की बाहरी बातें हैं. I'm an artist.
हुँ,
I do my
हुँ, हुँ।
work. It's like painting to me. I paint my things. See, I take my work like that कि भाई मैं artist हूँ.
हाँ, हाँ,
अगर
हाँ,
आप एक डील क्लोज करते हो ना, यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट.
हाँ, राइट,
अगर आप वो चीज़ बना पाते हो जो आपको बनाना है, यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट. अगर आप उतने फॉलोअर्स,
डेफिनिटली,
उतने लाइक्स ले आते हो, यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट मैन. I mean,
डेफिनिटली, डेफिनिटली,
influencing somebody, creating something, it is an art. So if you think there is a book called the art of war, sorry, the war of art. Yeah, the war of art.
राइट,
The war of
राइट,
art is an amazing book. You should definitely go check it out. Definitely read it. If you are not somebody who
राइट,
will read it, आप YouTube में उसके short videos देख लो, इस book की summary पढ़ लो, do whatever you want. But the whole idea
हुँ,
is
हुँ,
कि ये सारे thoughts, ये सारे see there is a parallel world where
हुँ, हुँ,
these things can happen here. You just need to change your perspective.
एब्सोल्युटली,
Once the
एब्सोल्युटली,
fear, the smoke screen of fear goes out, you will see fuck what amazing possibilities are there. And then you discover each and everything about yourself and you will be amazed at what potential you carry inside yourself. I mean, you should know this for
राइट,
yourself. You know, that is your own
राइट,
purpose. That is the whole point of you being born, according to me.
perfect, perfect, perfect. So I've had these conversations with other entrepreneurs as well, and I have personally experienced this as well. So where we say that sometimes that we want something so bad, and we just working towards it, putting in all the pieces of the puzzle together, and you're still striving for it, and somehow it just happens.
Yeah,
And that is where we say this is some people say it's miracle, some people say it's the cosmos, and some people say it just happens. So I guess that is what I could just make out from the last book that you quoted, the war book,
yeah,
right? So that it happens,
it
you just
will.
need to be disciplined, and it will happen. You just need to wait for it, be
Absolutely,
consistent, it will
absolutely,
happen.
absolutely.
Perfect. So this is so. See, I had this question in my mind that I would be asking you if you read books and which books you recommend, but you did that yourself. So yeah, I wouldn't be going to that question. But there's one thing that I want to ask, going
Mhm,
stepping back a little from your journey.
mhm,
So when you said that that your marketing budget was around 80,000 and you wanted to print the pamphlets and stuff.
mhm, mhm,
So I don't know. For now, I don't know what exactly you did at that point of time, but I'm sure that there are situations when you are in crunch and you
mhm.
wanna make some investments and you wanna get something done, but you need the cash immediately. So what do you do then? How do you manage that situation?
Please pardon the question. Like, suppose if I need cash immediately for some work, and how do I manage it?
Right, right, right.
Okay. So, see, I have some amazing friends. They help me out. Like, I would like to really mention this here that some people are blessed with, see, friends are very important in a journey. Whether you're an
Right.
entrepreneur, you're an artist, there are people around you who protect you. There are people
Right.
around you who loves you. And in life, आप जभी भी कहीं भी कुछ भी करोगे, आप
Hmm.
कभी ये गलती से मत सोच लेना कि ये आपने किया है।
Right.
ये उन सब लोगों ने किया है जो आपके पीछे खड़े थे। उन सब लोगों ने किया है जिन्होंने आपको बोला है कि वी आर विथ यू। ये उन लोगों ने भी किया है जो आपसे कभी मिले भी नहीं है, पर आपको इतनी तरीके से उन्होंने अफ़ेक्ट कर दिया। ये भगवान ने किया है, ये आपके कॉस्मोस ने, यूनिवर्स ने, एंजेल्स ने, जो भी आप बोलो उनने किया है। आप बस एक मीडियम थे
Hmm.
और आपसे करवाया गया था। दिस इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक
Right.
एंड हैविंग सेड दैट I have been blessed with an amazing, beautiful, beautiful family members. I have some
Right.
beautiful siblings. I have beautiful, amazing people, my friends. They help me out. Yeah, they help me out always. I won't be a very I won't make stories here कि मैं ये करता हूँ, मैं वो करता हूँ, or I do something very clever or something.
Hmm.
I have my friends. I just call them up and whatever I want, they just help me out with. If I just need to justify
Hmm.
myself and I just things are like that. But हाँ, I get help. मुझे कभी लाइफ में क्रंचेस बहुत आए हैं, पर कभी मैं रोका नहीं हूँ कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए या ये हो, नहीं हो। सो या थिंग्स डू और सी लाइक सपोज़ इफ यू डोंट हैव पीपल, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइक पीपल जिनके पास फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, या लेट्स से सब सबको इतनी ईज़िली नहीं हो जाता ये सब। तो सपोज़ लेट्स से कि इफ यू आर इन दैट सिचुएशन,
Right.
so the first question is
Mm-hmm.
why do you need the money? If you need the
Right.
money for marketing, see, I
Mm-hmm.
can tell you like 5 or 10 ways जिसमें आप विदाउट मच मनी आप मार्केट कर सकते हो। सार्थक कैन टेल यू बेटर, ही इज़ इन दिस इंडस्ट्री। अगर आपको पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने हो और आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, तो ब्रो आपके पास पैसे है नहीं, आप इन्वेस्ट क्या करोगे? पहले कमाओ।
Right.
सेकंड, अगर आपको पैसे चाहिए फॉर लेisure, डोंट टेक इट।
Right.
It will increase your liability, which will again increase your expense, and you will again go back to that cycle of loan and repayment and loan and
Loan
repayment.
and debt and then right,
Yeah,
right,
and
right.
break your credit card. Don't use it. It is the one of the most incredible weapon people use in the industry to keep you in that rat
Right.
race of college loan, job loan, prepayment। और कुछ चाहिए आप खरीद नहीं सकते हो, तो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड ले लो। ब्रो अगर आप नहीं अफोर्ड अफोर्ड कर पा रहे हो एक 4 लाख का बाइक या 5 लाख की टीवी, डोंट बाय इट मैन।
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I read this amazing quote somewhere. It was such a beautiful thing which changed me as a person, as a consumer. It said that if you cannot buy it twice, don't buy it.
Wow.
If you cannot
For
buy,
this,
yeah,
right, for this, I'm so sorry to cut, but yeah, for this, I would like to add one thing.
yeah,
So I have read this quote, which is on the very same plate that
mhm,
I might just quote it a bit wrong.
yeah, yeah.
It's like, ki, if you buy those things which you don't need, then you'll have to
Well,
sell those
yeah,
things that
yeah,
you need.
absolutely, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, completely agree.
So I mean, this applies. If
It
you're
does.
trying to be an entrepreneur, just spend on those things which are required for your business because that is gonna give you growth at
Yeah,
the end. If you like, नहीं भाई मैं धंधा चला रहा हूँ and it's like कि ठीक है मेरे पास पैसा आ रहा है मुझे पता है but
mhm,
then मेरे को गाड़ी भी चाहिए मैंने ये भी खरीद लिया मैंने भाई then when you are in the crunch you that is because of you are in the crunch. That's
absolutely,
your
yeah,
actions.
and that happens because people, they live to like impress other people.
Right, right,
And that
right,
is why it
right.
happens. I mean, you buy something which you love today, and after a few months or years, you don't like it, you don't love it, and again need something else. You need some. It is just for ego satisfaction. If you live for ego satisfaction, it's a useless thing.
Right, absolutely, absolutely. So, Abhishek, on this note, I want to know that what is the riskiest thing that you have done in your business? What is the biggest risk you have taken in your business?
All right, so okay, I'll tell you what was the riskiest thing which I have done in my life, or the riskiest decision I have taken in my life. When I was quitting my role from the other side as a
Right,
operate as a involved operating partner. Like I'm still a
right,
partner, but I'm a sleeping partner. So
right.
I had this thing in my mind, like what if I leave this company? What will be the future of this company? Or am I making the right decision? So that,
Mm-hmm.
and in one hand I had this thing which I have started, and it was going on well, and and
Right,
it was in my hometown,
right.
which is a very big point here, because when you are doing a business in your hometown, you save a lot of money, you have a lot of
Because of the
pro-
network and a lot of stuff that helps you out, right?
yeah, absolutely, yeah, you save so much on rent, you save so much money, because and you have a lot of contact, which is one of the most
Exactly.
important thing in the business. You need network, you need people। आपको क्रेडिट में कभी
Right,
सामान चाहिए होते हैं, कभी आपको कुछ चाहिए होता है, कभी आपको कुछ चाहिए होता है, and so many people that are ready to help you। And
right,
on the
right,
other hand,
right, right, right.
I had another option of leaving everything and go to Delhi and start a new office with new people। कोई एक बंदा hired नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था। Like I had to start from say suppose like 10, because on a scale of
Right,
1 to 100 to 10, because and that's how we started knowing each other, right?
right, right,
Yeah,
right,
so
right.
that was the time when it was a risky thing कि यार ये छोड़ूँ,
Mm-hmm.
ये जम गया है, इसमें
Mm-hmm.
ज़िंदगी चल सकती है, थोड़ा मेहनत करेंगे हो जाएगा, और सब कुछ
Huh,
छोड़ूँ 1 साल का एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अगेन ज़ीरो।
right,
So that was a very big call for me. It was a risky call,
right.
but I'll be honest, I took what, like 4 seconds to take that decision, because
Okay,
I have been a risk taker. Like, I'm not very proud to say that, because it is not always
okay.
intelligent to be a risk taker. But
Uh-huh.
but see, why did I take that risk? Because it had this underlying thing which
Mhm.
touched me to make spirituality available for a large audience. So that was the
Right.
whole idea. I mean, whenever there is something which I
Bigger
believe in,
motive.
which I want to
Right.
do in my life, or which I want, एंड उसके लिए अगर
Mhm.
मेरे को रिस्क लेना पड़े, और रिस्क के चांसेस आप समझ लो रेशियो 7:1 10:1 है, तो टेन
Mhm.
इज टू वन भी मैं ले लूंगा. आई मीन आई डोंट माइंड. हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं ले लूंगा. एज अ सी everybody is like they're conditioned in some way, because my father is a risk taker, यार. I mean, he is a huge risk
Okay.
taker. That my old man, he is a
Right.
huge risk taker. So I am his son. I mean, I don't think twice or thrice. I just do it because
I guess then we are on the same page because even my dad is a huge risk taker. I've seen him taking huge ass risk out there,
absolutely.
and somewhere even I am a huge risk taker, and my friends are always like, "कि bro, I mean, you just dive in. तुम्हें
Yeah.
सोचना नहीं है तुम क्या
You
करना
this
चाहते हो अभी
this
तो just dive in."
this reminds me of my favorite superhero character, Iron Man, and I will
Which one?
and I'll just recall
Oh
one
my
scene.
god, even
Yeah, I'll just recall one scene. So there was this fight scene. I mean, they were going
uh,
for a fight, and Captain America, Iron Man, and this
uh,
Black Widow. She was flying this airplane, and Captain America
right,
goes that we need a plan to attack, and Iron Man goes,
right.
I have a
Because it's like I have a plan,
attack.
attack.
Yeah. He's like,
Oh
we
my
need a
god,
plan to attack,
actually,
and he's like, I have a plan, attack.
yeah,
So
attack.
that's my plan, attack. And there's
Yeah,
one more
yeah.
important thing, I know as a person that, a lot of times in life, there comes a point जहाँ पे आपको लगेगा ना वापस चले जाओ, नहीं जम
Right.
रहा, वापस चले जाओ. And that is one of the most stupidest thing people do. Like suppose वो कर
Right.
लेते हैं कुछ, उनको लगता है जम नहीं रहा, and they're like कि छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो, वापस चले जाओ, ये नहीं होगा,
Right.
वापस
Right.
चले
Right.
जाओ.
नहीं
So
होगा,
the
नहीं
more
होगा.
most important thing is burn the bridge,
Burn
burn it, burn it. Like what I did,
burn.
I'll tell you something.
Hmm.
मैंने
हाँ
ना
जी.
मैंने प्लेसमेंट्स में नाम ही नहीं लिखवाया था. मेरे को पता था अगर हो गया ना, मान लो सब लाइक
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जांपल 0 डे प्लेसमेंट हो गया,
Right.
तो
Right. Right.
मन में थॉट्स आ जाएंगे, और मैं अपने ड्रीम को फॉलो नहीं कर पाऊंगा. घर से फोन आते थे कि क्या प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या
हाँ
सीन
जी.
है, ये वो.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
बिकॉज मैंने अपना एजुकेशन एमबीए एजुकेशन लोन पे किया था. सो अगेन इट वाज अ वेरी
Okay.
ह्यूज रिस्क नॉट टेकिंग अ
Huge
जॉब.
risk.
एंड
Right.
बिकॉज यू डोंट नो व्हेन यू विल बी सक्सेस. अरे एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना कोई मतलब इट्स नॉट अ केक ना, कि आप कल जाओ मार्केट में एंड आपको लोग रेडी बैठे हैं पैसे देने के लिए. यू
हाँ
नीड
जी. हाँ
यू
जी. हाँ
यू नीड
जी.
अ जेस्टेशन पीरियड ऑफ 3 years इज अ मस्ट. मतलब 3 साल
Right.
तो आपको समझने में निकल जाएगा कि हो क्या रहा है.
Exactly.
सो दैट वाज अ ह्यूज रिस्क अगेन व्हिच आई टुक. मैंने ब्रिज
Mhm.
ही बर्न कर दिया, मैंने नहीं लिखवाया था अपना नाम प्लेसमेंट्स में. एंड व्हेनेवर आई थिंक ना कि दिस इज माय कंफर्ट जोन, आई विल कम बैक हियर. इफ थिंग्स डोंट गो वेल, आई टेंड टू बर्न इट. या आई जस्ट टेंड टू क्लोज द वे बैक.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm on the very same page. And this reminds me of two things. So there's
हम्म.
one thing. I'll put it up this way. So there's this one story which
हम्म.
I heard in a movie. I don't remember which movie it was, but
हम्म.
it was something from Bollywood only.
हम्म.
So the story that guy told was कि एक राजा था, ठीक है?
हम्म.
अब उस राजा के पास आर्मी थी बहुत छोटी सी,
हम्म.
ठीक है? एंड देयर वाज दिस रिवर एंड रिवर के उस पार एंड हाँ रिवर के उस पार दूसरे राजा की आर्मी वेट कर रही थी
हम्म.
एंड दिस वॉर वाज सपोज टू हैपन,
या.
ठीक है? सो व्हाट दिस किंग सेड वाज कि चलो.
हम्म.
उसने अपने मेंस को he took his men and he went to the war. Now
एंड
the
बर्न द
ratio
शिप.
was
या.
1:10
या.
and this guy burnt his chips. And उसने
एब्सोल्युटली.
अपने आदमी को बोल दिया कि भाई अब या तो आपने इन जहाजों को जला दो,
हाँ.
अब तुम्हारे पास एक चॉइस है, मरो या मारो. And
Yeah,
that
this is
king
a true
won.
story, by the way.
I don't know which king it was in the reality, but
Yeah.
yeah, this story is absolutely of the entrepreneur. And on the personal note, what I follow in my life, if I tell you, is that in today's time, when we are in the digital era, we
Mhm.
have got thousands and thousands of options out there.
Oh my God,
So
don't
what
talk
I
about
do
it.
is that
Yeah,
I kill my options. I'm like, "Ki, fuck it, I don't want it. Just keep one option alive." So there's no choice otherwise. I have to do this, then
absolutely. I
this
would
is the
like,
thing.
I
This
would
is the
like to,
only thing,
I would like to quote one of my idols here, Steve Jobs. He said
right?
that focus is not when you focus on different things. It is not.
Right.
It is not. Focus is what is focus. I mean, he described it in a very beautiful way. That focus is
Mm-hmm.
removing or eliminating other thousands good ideas. I mean, if you have 1,000 ideas,
Right.
focus is not choosing one of them. Focus is removing 999 other ideas, and you focus on one idea. That is the focus. That is what focus is about.
Absolutely. And on this note, when you're talking about Steve Jobs, probably you would be knowing this. So there was this point where Steve Jobs was called for some kind of speech, and there were about 10 to 20 entrepreneurs in that room.
Mm-hmm.
And what he said was, on a paper, write all those things that you love. Okay. So they wrote about 10. He told them to write 10 things. They wrote 10 things. He asked them to scribble of five. They scribbled of five. Then he asked them scribble of three. They scribbled of three. Then they asked them scribble of one. They scribbled of one. Now he asked them like, what is the only word written? For someone it was their wife, someone
Mm-hmm.
was children, someone was that. Then it was like, on whose paper is it written entrepreneurship? जिसके पेपर पे entrepreneur लिखा हुआ था, he was like, you are the one who's the true entrepreneur out there. So
Yeah.
because you are living on that.
Yeah. Because you see, you need to sacrifice a lot.
A lot, a
You
lot.
need to
And
sacrifice a
the
lot.
thing that you talked about quoting, on that part, I want to quote from Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So I've read that book, and I am
Mm-hmm.
a huge fan of
Huge
that book
fan. Yeah.
personally.
Robert.
So
Yeah.
yeah, Robert. So Robert said that his rich dad would say that if you want to quit, then why quit now?
Mm.
So
Absolutely.
just,
Beautiful.
why
Yeah.
quit now? You can always quit when you've done the task. Why quit
Yeah.
now? So I follow that personally in my life, and believe me, it helps me a lot, a lot. Every time I'm like,
Yeah.
okay,
Beautiful
just
thought.
fuck
Yeah.
it.
Beautiful thought.
Why quit now?
I have not read that book. I will definitely read it.
Oh, it's an amazing book. It's definitely an amazing book. Amazing. So, let uh, on the last note that I want to ask Abhishek, what is that one thing from your business mantra you would like to recommend our listeners to, like, if they follow this, or maybe your business month which you recommend to everyone, that this is the thing in your opinion,
All right.
obviously, which can help you grow.
All right. So I cannot call it a business mantra. I'll just share my thought. It is about
Right.
my way of seeing the world, the business, everything. See,
Right.
anything and everything which you want to achieve is not outside, it's inside. If you are winning a war outside and you think that you won, it is stupidity. If you win yourself, you actually win. तो द होल आइडिया इज कि आपने आज कुछ अचीव कर लिया, आपने इतने सेल्स कर लिया, आपने इतना टारगेट अचीव कर लिया है, आपने कंपनी में इतने लोग आ गए हैं, आपने इतने पैसे कमा लिए एंड आपको लगता है कि आप सक्सेसफुल हो गए, अरे वाह वेरी गुड, सो इट इज इनकम्प्लीट, कुछ हुआ नहीं है उससे,
Right.
बिकॉज इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम। आप मे बी आप आज जीत गए हो, मे बी आप कल जीत जाओगे, बट उसके बाद क्या? बट ऑन द contrary, if you win inside, if you win yourself, if you master yourself, you can master each and every aspect of your life. So please focus on your development. When I say that, I mean please focus on your habits, your routine, your focus, your mental health, focus on, because it is very important. आप don't, like, just go mad after being an entrepreneur. बहुत लोग करते हैं ऐसा, they just sacrifice so much that they stop enjoying the process. हमेशा टेंशन में रहेंगे, ये हो
Right.
गया वो हो गया. I mean, it's not like that, yeah. You need to balance it out, and you need to have a beautiful routine which you do every day, because see, that is what that is my mantra. अगर मेरे को कोई पूछेगा, अगर कोई मुझे पूछेंगे आपका मंत्र क्या है, या आप क्या कर रहे हो, या आप क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, या आप क्या करने में फेल हो रहे हो, आप जो करना चाहते हो, what
Hmm.
my ideal situation is, uh, that I form some beautiful habits. I Because see,
Right.
a lot of people out there, they want to work, they can work, but they can't sit for 3 hours straight. They are like,
Right.
यार मेरे को ना प्रॉब्लम होती है, मैं बैठ नहीं सकता 2 घंटे.
Hmm.
They'll fiddle with their phone, they will just walk around or do something and then come back and say, you're wasting your time here. If you master yourself, अगर आप वो करते हो, then you have time for every fucking thing in the world. You have time for your
Exactly.
friends, you have time for your family, you have time for work, you enjoy your life. So work first, you win yourself, and then you can easily win the world. On the contrary, if you think you need to win the world and not yourself, yourself, the inner self, the soul, or whatever you call it, insight
Right.
will, bring resistance, and if you actually master it, it will help you in ways you can't even imagine.
This is amazing. This is an amazing month because, yeah, I am on. I won't say that I'm completely following this, but or maybe, yeah. But what I follow from this is that yes, I need to be one with myself. This is something I
Absolutely,
definitely
absolutely.
agree.
You need to. You should. I mean, absolutely, you should. I cannot like emphasize it more. You should. That is the first thing you should do. And
Definitely,
and
I
and
would
and
be
just and
trying.
just a quick thought, and it is not about कि यार आपको घंटों तपस्या करनी है ऐसा कुछ.
हाँ जी.
Can I recommend a few applications there?
Sure, 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 sure. Please go ahead.
Fine. What I do, I'll just share it with you. There is an application called
Right,
Headspace.
right,
आपको फ्री में मेडिटेशन सिखाती है.
right.
There is a book called Headspace, the Headspace way of meditation. So
Okay,
वो एप्लीकेशन वो बुक आप पढ़ लो एक बार, एंड 10 मिनट्स, बस 10 मिनट दिन के, 10 मिनट दिन के आप
right,
मेडिटेट कर लो, बट
right,
कंटिन्यू करना 20 दिन, 25 दिन, 30 दिन. आप देखना आपका
right.
फोकस किस लेवल पे होता है. आई मीन आप कितने बार होता है ना कि आपको आपके दिमाग बोलता है आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई
I
नीड अ ब्रेक.
know, I know,
एक
I know,
थॉट आ
I know.
जाएगा जब आपके दिमाग में आएगा ना, आई नीड अ ब्रेक, एक थॉट आएगा कि व्हाई डू यू नीड अ ब्रेक, इट इज अ हैबिट, लीव इट. So and then then the journey begins. The real journey begins, man. I mean, it's beautiful.
I know. I know, I know, I completely agree. I mean, I'm so happy to listen to all of this, and it really feels that we are connected on so many parts, and that every entrepreneur is connected on a very very similar thing.
Absolutely.
And talking to you also makes me feel that that it's the things that needs to be done as an entrepreneur are probably the same. It's just that they're put in different words all the time,
It is
and
very simple.
it's simple. Yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple, and just it just comes down to the way
If
any XYZ person can
yeah,
understand it. That's
it's
it.
very
That's how
simple. We can really look, tell in like one line of few words. Start up and work. It's
exactly.
very simple.
I mean, when you say this, I'm always remembered of some of the other
Yeah.
quote. So recently, I read this book by Andrew Horowitz.
Hmm.
Okay, so in that book, I don't remember the complete story, but apparently, the only line that I remember is that you cannot be an entrepreneur without being an entrepreneur. You literally have to jump inside
Crazy,
to be an
crazy,
entrepreneur.
crazy. Right, right.
So yeah, that is one of the craziest line. I'm like, ठीक है यार मैं कितनी भी books पढ़ लूं, but then every entrepreneur is gonna have a different journey altogether and a different sets of problems, and you have to face them. That is the life, and that is the beauty of it.
I would like to add one more thing, very small thing, that कई बार क्या
Sure.
होता है, लोगों को लगता है कि ये डर मेरा है, ये थॉट्स
Hmm.
मेरे हैं, मैं ही ऐसा सोचता हूँ, मुझे ही डर लगता है, बाकी कर सकते हैं, मैं नहीं कर सकता. ऐसे जो लोगों को लगता है, जो ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं ना, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू कि आप
Hmm.
ऑटोबायोग्राफी पढ़ें या बायोग्राफी पढ़ें उन सक्सेसफुल लोगों की. तब आपको
Hmm.
समझ में आएगा कि वो भी यही सोचते थे, इतना ही डरते थे. डर के बिना आप जी नहीं
Right.
सकते. ये प्रोसेस है.
Right.
डर के साथ ही आप
Right.
आई मीन आई रेड दिस अमेजिंग थिंग सार्थक few days back and I was shocked. This guy, Henry Ford,
Right. Right.
he used to puke every time
Uh-huh.
before going to stage. Till this age. I
Oh
mean,
my God.
till the last breath. मतलब वो बंदा हमेशा ये करता करता था कि he used to puke whenever he used to go on stage. उसने अपने डर के साथ जिया है. There can never be a point आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैं परसों शायद सो के उठूंगा तो मेरा डर उठेगा नहीं, मैं अकेले उठूंगा, मैंने डर को हरा दिया
कभी
होगा.
नहीं होगा.
ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. आपको हर दिन डर
कभी
लगेगा.
नहीं होगा.
अगर आपको
हर
लगता
दिन
है कि सिर्फ मेरे
लगेगा.
साथ होता है, read biographies, read a lot of people, listen to them. I would
Hmm.
recommend you few people, follow them. I follow them. Jordan Belfort को आप follow कर सकते हो. You can follow Steve
Oh
Jobs.
my God.
रॉबिन शर्मा को आप
Right.
सुनो. एरिक थॉमस को आप सुनो.
Right.
लिसन टू देम एंड you'll गेट टू नो कि उनकी जर्नी जो होती है ना, वो हमारी तरह ही
Right.
होती है. बस वो एक चीज करते हैं कि वो रिस्क ले लेते हैं.
That's it.
कुछ अलग नहीं करते वो, मतलब हमसे. लाइक
Right.
जिन्होंने फ्लिपकार्ट खोला या ओयो खोला, उन्होंने कुछ मेरे आई एम लाइक दे हैव डन एन अमेजिंग जॉब, बट एंड आई एम वेरी स्मॉल टू टेल दिस, बट उन्होंने कुछ अलग से तीर नहीं मारा है जो आप नहीं कर सकते.
Hmm.
बस उन्होंने एक चीज किया, they have been very consistent, they have been a visionary, and they have stick
Right.
like उनके पास वो that is this is the word I'll tell you. I'll tell you two words: persistence.
Hmm. Right.
The other word is execution. Ideas are
Exactly.
shit, ideas are cheap, ideas are valueless. You need to execute.
Until unless they get executed.
Right.
Exactly.
You need to execute,
Exactly.
and you need to be persistent. आपको चाहिए, आपको वो हट चाहिए, वो जिद चाहिए कि नहीं करना ही है,
Mhm.
करना ही है, करना ही है। बहुत सारे दिन हो गए आप
Right.
काम नहीं करोगे। I remember Sarthak, when this lockdown happened,
Right.
starting like starting
Uh-huh.
22 days, 30 days, I was such a
Hmm.
lethargic person. Yeah, I was not getting up from the bed, and then I was like, "यार हो गया, you need to get up and you need to work," and I started working again. So you fall, you get up. You fall, you get up. That is the process. I mean, and it is a beautiful
That
journey. It is a
it's
beautiful journey.
absolutely. I mean, this journey doesn't seem beautiful while you're going through it, but when
Yeah,
you look back at it, that is when you see the beauty of it. Oh,
yeah, yeah,
oh my
absolutely.
God, that you have come literally so far. That's why we say, that the best view comes after the toughest climb.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, Abhishek, I know that your company is into yoga, and I personally don't do yoga. I'm
You
so
must,
sorry
you
because
should
I
do it.
can't make.
Yeah,
I know I should do it, but I'm happy when I'm able to bring out time to, if even for a 15 minutes workout. That's enough for me for now because of this tight schedule that I sometimes follow.
yeah.
But yeah, uh, I want to tell the audience that, guys, Kashish Yoga is teaching lots, and lots of many people out there yoga, and this is the company which is not sending, but which is creating teachers who are going abroad and teaching yoga to the people out there. So this, like Modi ji ne bhi kaha tha na, कि Modi ji की वजह से we have got a yoga day now, and the whole
Yeah,
world celebrates yoga,
correct.
and Kashish Yoga is contributing to it. So yeah, I would highly recommend that you guys follow these courses because we are working together, and I know the kind of hard work these people put in there, and they have got multiple stations across India as well, and they will soon be expanding in multi facets and probably across the world as well. So yeah, just wait for it. And I guess Abhishek has something for us right now, which is going to benefit you guys.
All right. So now during this pandemic, this crisis moment, this crisis time, we all need to be very like in the peak of our system. Our immunity system should be amazing. So there are a lot of ways in which we can boost our immunity system. We can do pranayamas, yogas, and a lot of Ayurveda products are out there, and we'll guide you through this how to do it, how, and we will make sure that you learn it and you do it. And if you want to teach it to others, you can make yourself a way of passive income out of it. So just for you guys, there's a very special discount. So the code is BOS, balls of steel, KY Kashish Yoga 40, Boski 40. If you use this code, you will you'll get yourself a discount of 40% on our next online course. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek, for this code, and I hope our listeners make the best of this code and they join your courses. And I'm so glad that I could have this conversation with you, and it has actually opened my mind in a lot of horizons. I'm so happy to have you here with me, Abhishek. Thanks a lot for
Thank
joining
you,
in.
Sarthak, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for letting me speak my heart and my mind out. It was an amazing experience. Talking to you was amazing. You have always inspired me, and even today, you have inspired us. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much
I'm
for this
so glad.
initiative.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much for being here. And yeah, I'll try that if I can also join it.
Please do, please do, please do.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Abhishek, once again for joining in.
Thank you, Sarthak. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. I hope that you're able to take back something insightful from this podcast and apply it in your life to be a better version of yourself and add to your Dhandoni Soch. If you know someone whom you think should feature on my podcast and has a very inspiring entrepreneurial journey, then do drop me a DM on my Instagram, SarthakVarshne, Sarthak Varshne. Yeah, that's me. I'm the founder of SV Clicks, and SV Clicks is the producer of this show. You can find me on Facebook or LinkedIn as well with the same name. If you're willing to listen to more of such unheard, inspiring stories of the entrepreneurs, then don't forget to follow us by pressing that follow button on your podcast screen. Thank you for being such an amazing audience. Keep learning, keep growing. We'll be back soon. See ya.